So how to apply? Here's the fun part. It's really a pretty easy process. If you are a Scarborough client, we can take care of this for you. But just as general information, there is the Form 400 ACH application, needs to be completed and sent to U.S. Customs.
Correct. Yeah, the process is very simple. A few quick tips, though, is that you need to make sure that the payer information that you're listing on the application matches with the 5106 information that's on file with Customs. If you send it to the ACH team at Customs and it doesn't match, they will reject your application. Also, you will need your broker's assistance or the broker to complete the information in the broker filer information at the bottom of the form. It relates to who the ABI client rep is, and that is the person that a Customs broker has a direct relationship with somebody at Customs that does more of like the programming and not the day-to-day entry related things at Customs. So you'll definitely want to get their assistance in filling out that bottom section of the form.
And as I mentioned before, if you're a Scarborough client, we can take care of this for you. We can basically fill out majority of the application, just leaving the section for your banking information and your signature open for you to complete, and then you send it back to us. Send it into Customs, and then CBP will assign you a PUN or a payer unit number. It is emailed back to the email address that's listed on the application, so you want to watch your email for that. I think sometimes they get caught in spam filters or quarantined, but definitely keep your eyes open for it. The importer must then forward their payer unit number to their Customs broker so that they can get you all set up properly in their operating system. Once that's done and you're good to go, you're ready to start paying CBP via ACH. A couple of things to note here: your PUN or payer unit number is assigned to you as the importer, but it can be used by all of your brokers. And then the other thing to mention, which I know Tia's had to work with this frequently, is do not lose your payer unit number. Can be difficult to track that down.
Right. So if you've been assigned a payer unit number in the past, but you no longer know what that number is, Customs will only give that information to whoever they originally emailed that payer unit number on, even if it was 5 years ago. Now, you can call Customs and they will work with you if you can prove basically that you work for the same company that the payer unit number was originally signed to. But it's not anything where your Customs broker can call and get that information for you. You will have to contact them directly if it's already been assigned the first time. And just one other note on the payer unit number, that's really the catalyst that makes everything in the ACH and PMS system work. And so, the broker can't do anything further with getting you set up for being on your own ACH statement without that payer unit number. So it's critical to watch for that information to come back into your email and forward it on.
Okay, got it.